gotta put them on. You gotta put them on concrete.
Shut up! Shut up!
Do it over here on this concrete right here.
Yeah, put it on the patio like this. But put it pointing the other way though.
What is it?
I think I'll spin it on the air and then I don't like those things. Look, see, Mikey? Isn't that cool?
Oh, that's some little spinner thing.
Any more?
Don't build a fire right now, the wife.
You wanna light this off?
What is it?
Spinner.
Yeah, after a while.
Look, Mikey. Look.
Look, Mikey.
What?
Oh my God.
That was pretty cool.